how to fix your relationship with money. This is important because once you change your relationship with money, you become a bigger money container. And when am I saying this? You need to get present that you are a money making machine. So can you see, when you change, you work on yourself, this money container becomes a bigger one. So can you see, there is more abundance here, more money here, relationship expanded here, and your health, everything is more in this container. And this expansion happens with your self-development, and self-development comes with investing in yourself, in paying the money. And I know when we pay money, it is not easy to part ways with money, but can you please understand that first it is like investment, then you reap the seeds which you sow, the expansion which you have, you are able to have the fruits from these roots. Let's imagine something crazy for a second. What if you took your money on a date, like an actual relationship? Sounds weird. Stick with me, because how you treat your money say a lot about how much it sticks with you or sticks around you. So date with money. How do you treat money? If money was a relationship, how would you describe your relationship? Are you clingy? Do you ignore it? Do you feel restless? Do you constantly chase it but never appreciate it? How do you feel with money? Fear, guilt, shame? You don't deserve? So money is sitting at the table. Just imagine it is there in front of you. Because most of us treat money like toxic ex. We talk bad about it. We are stressed around it. And we only care about it when it is going or it is gone. Like example, you say, I hate money. Money is root of all evil. But would you stick around someone who says that about you? Getting intentional now more. Let's flip the script. What if you dated money like someone you respect, love, admire, and want to be with or want to build a future with, a partnership? Then how is it? Step 1, respect it. Step 2, listen to it, feel it. Step 3, spend quality time with it, investing in it. Respect it by tracking it. Listen to it by reviewing your statements and your self-talk, because 90% you live your head, the internal voices. Spend time in learning money, in planning, in budgeting. You sitting down with a money journal, smiling. When you give money attention, it responds to you just like a healthy relationship. Let us know the money's love language. Every relationship has a love language. So what money's love language is? It is the words of affirmation, that like gratitude, acts of service, that is budgeting, quality time, which is planning. Gratitude grows money, intention protects it, and consistency attracts more of it. What you appreciate. Yes, what you appreciate appreciates. The weekly money date. Now here's a challenge. Have a 5-minute money date with your money every week. Check your balance. Journal a money win. Set a small financial intention. It's not about being perfect. It's about building a healthy, loving relationship with one of the most powerful tools in your life, which is money on planet Earth. Money isn't a monster. It isn't your enemy. It's your partner. Treat it like one of your bestest buddy, and it is just like a new start. So are you ready to date your money? If this changed how you see money, hit a like and subscribe, and drop a emoji, a dollar, your currency in the comments if you're ready for the first date of money tonight. Friends, there is a very important chapter which is Thursday in my winning work week formula, which is there in the playlist. It is going to help you. Also, there are programs to start with your money manifestation as change in you becoming a money container, a bigger container, a money making machine, and coming out of your default mode of meaning making. Friends, join Money Manifestation Challenge. These 30 days are going to alter your psychology, because money is really a psychology, a relationship. And friends, further people who want to deep dive in more, there is Mastering Money Blocks for you. And those who want to start immediately, you can come with a time audit, because I'm Dr. Naheed Khan and I'm a time doctor and I am a neuroeducationist hypnotherapist, and I work on your time because time is a scarce commodity while money is not. And when you work on yourself, your time, money is a byproduct. Thank you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to hit a like, subscribe.